Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password for the wireless network you are currently connected to on Windows. So let's get started. First, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the Wi-Fi icon. A menu will appear. From here, click on Open Network and Internet Settings. This will open the Windows Settings window. Now in this window, you will be able to see that your system is connected to the Internet, along with the name of your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down a little and look for the option called Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. After clicking, a new window will open. Here you will see your active network connection. Next to the Connections field, you will see your Wi-Fi name. Click on that Wi-Fi name. Now a new window called Wi-Fi Status will open. In this window, you can see details like connection speed, signal quality, and more. To find your password, click on the Wireless Properties button. Another window will open. Here, go to the Security tab. In this section, you'll see a field called Network Security Key. This is where your Wi-Fi password is stored, but it will be hidden. To reveal the password, simply click on the checkbox called Show Characters. As soon as you click it, your Wi-Fi password will be visible in plain text. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.